everybody! So today I'm in my new home and I would like to unbox my brand new TV which I've just bought, which is the iFFALCON 55-inch. So let's get it started! Alright, since now we've opened up the box, let's see what's inside. Inside there's this bag which includes the TV manual, the power socket, as well as a cable, and beautiful remote control, which by the way provides battery as well, which means you don't need to go outside and buy a battery, which is very convenient. And they've also provided 2 TV stands. You can put your TV on the stand or wall mount it. Okay guys, since we have the TV out right now, we're just going to take a look at the design. As you can see, it's pretty sleek, alright? There is no borders, in fact, on these 3 corners. Now, the only place that has the bezel is at the bottom with the very cute iFFALCON icon right there, okay? Now, at the bottom of it, of course, you see this small gray bar. Now, that is actually the Google Assist and the Google Chromecast, okay? So, when you use your voice activation to kind of control the functionality on the TV, this is where it will capture your voice. Now, the other thing I want to share with you guys is actually the thickness of this TV. It is actually not very thick, so when you wall mount this TV, it doesn't take much space. And also at the side of the TV, it has a whole array of ports that's available, and I'll be sharing those with you as well, alright? So I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so now that we're looking at the side of this TV, I'm gonna show you the different ports that's available, as well as one thing to note, okay? The on-off button is right at the bottom corner of this TV, as well as the on-off switch for Google Assist. So if you want to turn it off, you just have to push it down. If you want to turn it on, push it up, and then Google Assist will start to function. So in our ports, we have 2 USB 2.0, 3 HDMI, 1 Ethernet cable, 1 audio output for the optical, which is the traditional kind, as well as the digital AV input. So you know that this cable has been provided in your bag, right? Basically, if you use the old camcorders, old cameras that has such inputs, you can use it to connect it right to this TV. And an output for the earphones, so you can connect your earpiece, okay, or your headphones to this TV as well. So let's take a look at it. All right, so the first two, the first one would be the USB port, as well as the bottom sides over here, which is basically the USB port as well. So this too is the USB port. Now for HDMI, we do support ARC. So what is this ARC essentially? ARC is the sound bar, which in fact uses HDMI. So this TV actually supports it, okay? And as well as the antenna for the cables TV. So if let's say you are connecting to, maybe you want a local TV channel like channel 5, channel 8, you can connect it through this antenna itself. Alright, so this is pretty much it for the ports that we have, and you can see it has a wide variation of the different things that basically you would use on a TV to showcase whatever, maybe some recordings on TV that you have, or the different channels that you want to watch. Essentially, this TV is really easy to set up. It's all right there. Okay, so now we're gonna watch the different functions and features that this TV can do for us. Okay guys, so now that the TV is all plugged in, we're just gonna check out on its functionality and features. But before that, this iFFALCON TV is actually digital ready. So what does that even mean, right? Basically, you do not need a digital set-top box, alright? All you need is just an antenna, which you can plug it right into the area where I've showed you the ports are, right? So just plug it in, and then you'll be able to receive high-resolution local TV channels like channel 5, channel 8. That's pretty much it, and you're good to go, alright? So now we're just gonna take a look at the TV. So let's get started. Okay, Google, turn on the TV. Awesome. Okay, Google, play Netflix Thunder Force.
Okay, opening Netflix.
So aside from opening Netflix, it's gonna show the video that I want to watch, which is Thunder Force. and it's actually gonna autoplay it, which is amazing. But aside from Netflix, let's try out some other apps, alright? Okay, Google, search for Michael Jackson's video on YouTube. Really fast and really simple. Just say it and they search for you. Of course, you can choose whichever video you want to watch from Michael Jackson's video. Okay, how about some music that we can try right now? Perhaps from Spotify? Okay, Google, play music from Spotify.
Playing some music on Spotify.
Really smart. Okay, so now I just want to share with you guys how amazing this video actually looks on this TV. Now we're talking about the color vibrancy is there, okay, because the colors are really rich. Now you're talking about the red is vibrant, talking about the green, it is sharp, and the blue is absolutely dynamic. And so, aside from the color richness, you're also looking at this video literally in full screen because of the borderless edge. Can you see that? There's no edge at all, alright? So you can actually enjoy in full motion picture, literally. Alright, now aside from the picture-wise or the visual-wise, are you hearing and checking out on the audio? It is clear and crisp, and you can hear every boom and bangs, but not only the loud basses, but you can also hear even the slightest tinge of sound like that's created from this water. Can you hear it? It's amazing, isn't it? It feels like you're literally in a theater and watching a movie with all the best Dolby surround system. Okay, so now we know that Google works for English, but what about other languages? Let's try Cantonese. Okay, Google. 我想要睇周星馳嘅電影. Isn't this amazing? It actually registered Cantonese. Well, actually my Cantonese isn't that good, but he understands. So now that we know that it works for Cantonese, but I'm gonna try using Mandarin, but with the remote control and see if it works. 我想要看周星驰的戏. See? It works as well. So even when you use the TV, voice command, or the remote, it works both ways and in many different languages. I'm just gonna watch it now. Alright, so previously we tried different variation of voice command and controls using different languages. But now I want to try using distance with Bahasa Melayu to see whether this TV captured my voice. Okay Google, saya mahu melihat Siti Nurhaliza. It works, doesn't it? iFFALCON Imbued microphone receiver really has a long pickup range. iFFALCON is power saving as rated by NEA and is the only brand with voice control at this price range, while other brands with such functions are much more expensive.